SEO Agency website templates with Divi. We're highlighting two designed SEO Agency website templates using Divi. One is a premium selection, while the other comes at no cost. So let's explore your next digital masterpiece. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. Our first stop is the Divi Marketplace, featuring an intriguing SEO Agency website template priced at $22. It's readily available for purchase. Let's dive into its live demo. We are greeted by an impressive hero section, where striking visuals and concise messaging command attention, perfect for showcasing your SEO expertise. Next, we glide into the About Us section, where engaging content illustrates your agency's journey and values, making every visitor feel connected. Further down, the What We're Offering section effectively outlines your key services. It's perfectly structured to convey every detail your clients need. Marvel at the Our Team section, a dynamic display with hover effects, bringing your team members to life, adding a personal touch to your digital presence. Then, we explore the Our Clients Feedback section, an area that elegantly highlights customer testimonials, fostering trust and credibility. Finally, the footer, seamlessly integrating navigation menus, service listings, useful links, and contact details. This section provides essential information at a glance. Now let's look at a free option included with the Divi theme upon installation. It brings remarkable features for no extra cost. The journey begins with an eye-catching hero section, complete with a functional form to test a website's score, an immediate call to action for users. Next is the Our Services section, adeptly detailing offerings in an organized and visually appealing format. We then transition to the Annual Report section, showcasing your company's achievements with style. Following that, the Our Latest Project section becomes an engaging gallery space, keeping your projects front and center. And finally, we conclude with the footer. It ties everything together with menus covering location, social media, and subscription email. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.